Hello guys and welcome back to the fashion magazine. I hope you are having a great time this weekend. Today we have a lot to unpack and I'm serious about this. This is a pretty exciting topic. We'll be talking about 5 spring fashion trends for this year 2024. Had a lot of fun honestly making this video, and the purpose of this video is not only to inspire you but also save you time watching all these fashion shows and reading the articles about the year trends. It can be very confusing and I understand that. Most of the trends we will be covering today are wearable. There is no need for you to buy new clothes if you don't have the budget. It is possible you have some of these items in your wardrobe for many big chances, and it only need to be styled the right way. So stay with us till the end of this video and I hope you'll be having a great time with us today. Alright, the first thing we are going to talk about is what color to wear for the season, starting with the color gray. I've noticed that this color has been dominating this year's runways. For example, Hermès did an amazing job for their collection, you can see from the videos, and you are probably thinking, but gray is boring. I know. I don't agree this year, by the way. I used to. This color is safe, but it's the opposite of boring. It's soft, it's elegant, it complements every skin tone, which is very important for me. The outfit looks spectacular, monotone, or styled with pastel color, white, black. It can go with anything as the color is neutral. But this particular shade of gray with red undertones is just out of this world. And I believe this color was not a stranger in Prada collection either. This gray is a bit darker here, as you can see from the video as well. Outfit looks a little more formal, and I love Prada. I have mentioned that in other videos. The prints, moreover, on the scarf complements it very well. As we can see, it doesn't need a lot of styling to look good, which is very great for us as girls. Just a simple black purse with a belt, chunky boots, or even high heels are more than enough. This is where it gets interesting. Now, listen to me carefully. You should see that skirt. The material is see-through, and we have seen that also in many carpet this year. The see-through is something amazing this year. It's like sexy and classy at the same time. It just screams elegance. It looks amazing, but it's so simple. And I have to mention again that simplicity this year will be the most complicated thing. Okay, that's a very good proverb I made today. Let's talk about that color. Hear me out. Cherry red is that pitch, okay? I repeat, cherry red is that pitch. This is the color of the season. Most of the designers incorporated this stunning color in their collection. Either it's with accessories or is the main color of the outfit. This brings us back to Hermès, as I mentioned before. They use different tones of the color, dark cherry brown-ish red. It could be worn on more formal occasions. The color is very bold, it's deep, expensive, it shows how mature you are. The bright cherry red, on the other hand, is more brave, but it looks modest. I love it. I am very impressed. I need to mention something else. I see a lot of people today, they like to match the shoes with the purse, red. Don't do that. You need to just do some accessories in red, and that will blow all the outfit you're wearing. Don't go with like too many red. I don't agree with that. You just have to make a touch. It could be a red lipstick with a black, or a nice red bag, or a red high heels this summer with a white dress. It will look amazing on you. All right, let's move on with Valentino. Valentino also incorporated cherry red into their collection, and let me tell you girls, these dresses are out of this world. Valentino found the perfect balance between bold, sophisticated, mature and sexy, youthful, brave and a little dangerous red color. Also, the dresses complement your body so well. Truly a genius work. And I did say that as well before. A chef kiss for his work. Anybody will look amazing on those dresses. The third topic we are gonna talk about it is leather. It can be worn throughout the year, no matter the weather. actually this year, believe it or not. So if you don't have leather clothing in your closet, you might want to think about purchasing it. I have not seen a show that did not include leather or some kind, but today we are gonna talk about leather skirts, coats, and blazers. All right, let's move on with Versace. The astonishing leather suit skirt blazer, it complements the waist, the skin color of the model. You can also wear it separately in a different style, however you want. Leather fits into everything and anything formal, casual, or even a party night if you have a party night or an event. 100% you will not regret buying it because it's very sustainable and we will see it coming and going for different styles and different years, so you will need it anyway. All right, now let's move for Alexander McQueen, where they represented the leather coat. Perfect length, sits nice on the shoulder and makes them sharper but not too heavy. My favorite piece from the collection is definitely blazer with cuts out and leathers incorporate in. It's not too much, it's bold, classy, and the most important thing, very, very sexy. All right, moving to Hermes show. I think here they merged leather almost in their entire collection. Leather straps on the dresses, the red, brown coats. It's simple, it's easy to style, would also be perfect for the autumn weather. And I think this year we're gonna see the leather in different colors, which is very exciting. We usually see it only in black and brown. This year it looks very nice in different red shades as well. So that's very great, great inspiration in this show. Okay, moving away from the leather, I would like to go talk more about the accessories. The next trend is the belt. This is where you can get creative as you can be. Thin, thick leather with gold, silver chains, anything you can imagine. Girl, let that waist shine. Make your outfit stand out, make it interesting, experiment with colors. Belts are magic for me this year. They can elevate your outfit to a whole another level. It can help you put the real you in the outfit. Even if it's just a simple jean with a t-shirt, it looks amazing. And you can change just the accessory, that belt, or maybe make it more sophisticated. I like this. It's very easy to style. Next topic, I would like to move, of course, to the white dresses and the white suits. Of course, don't get so excited. It's not wedding dresses, not today. Valentino's collection is symphony of elegance. I felt the love this year with Valentino, to be honest with you. And I've mentioned it in all my videos almost. So as you can see, starting with the suits, this is simple. No pant blazer. I don't like that, but it's breathtaking at the same time. It's classic but modern at the same time. It's big in the shoulders and the belt helps create a contrast, showing off the waist. This year you have to show your waist. The next suit is a blazer with a skirt. It looks so clean, so delicate. Long skirt, no top. Blazer fits the model perfectly, complementing her face features. And I think it would with any other girl. I'm sure about it. I like that style. It with the sneakers. It looks amazing in the summer, especially. Basically, Valentino say, actually, you need this for the summer. It could be casual, but also formal. Dame Valentino did not miss on this one. I really love you, Valentino, this year. All right, moving on to the dresses. The long white dresses, it's so fluid, it's so light, it complements the model figure, but doesn't show too much. The slit looks amazing too, and I think everyone agree on this part. All right, back to Versace. This dress is more casual. It is quite short and simple. I like the poofy sleeves really on the dress. They give it more character. The cleavage is not bad. It circles but it doesn't shape you into a ball. And I think the dress would look a lot better with a different tights. I don't know, pick up a fun color. Bright red, dark red, green. Any pastel color would look amazing. You could also wear it with a chunky boot and loafers. That's a good idea. The dress is cute and simple, so adding heavy details is totally fine. You have the space to do that. Star of the show is a dress from Dior, new collection. She is daring but elegant at the same time. She's messy but so delicate. The cuts are chaotic in somehow, but also soft. I could see this dress being worn maybe with a knee-high boots, but elegant jewelry. I really insist on that part, with very dark makeup but simple hair so you can let the makeup shine. Also, I think play with the contrast that designers put in this dress. It is an absolute masterpiece. Last but not least, floral prints are back, baby. The roses are back, and Alexander McQueen nailed it in this collection. Black see-through dresses with a giant rose printed on it, and I like a lot of girls like flowers, so this is your year. The dress is perfect for summer. It could be worn with with a leather coat. It could be worn with a beach party. There is no limit to this dress, to be honest. The dress also has a sister in white, you can tell, and in leather at the same time. Back to the leather again, girls. But in my opinion, the black looks the best, to be honest. I don't like the flowers on the white. It looks like, I don't know, a grandmother style. So now I want you to take a look at this red dress. It is entirely turns you into a rose. It's beautiful, like petals wrapping your body up, and I think with the tan and the summer vibes, it will look amazing. It is so tight and flowy at the same time. You can tell I like this, and I think the summer is very hot, so we need something that goes like a wave with your body. Really look how it moves. The color is absolutely stunning, and the slits helps the dress to be more wavy, and I like this idea. This dress is perfect for a dinner date or an event. Chanel collection is about celebrating femininity, and as its main theme is floral. The outfits are colorful, they are so fun, light and little serious at the same time. Well, it could be great for jobs in the summer, I think. We need always formal and something very classy. My personal favorite has to be the black see-through dress. I like the see-through this year. I think it doesn't look vulgar, girls. If you want to get creative, we have covered the most important fashion trends for this spring and summer. So choose what best fits you. I always want to insist on this part. Do not copy someone else and do not go with the trend. You need to see what your body actually needs. And also another advice from me, do not restrict yourself in one style all your times. Try something else. Maybe something else could work. You never know. And I like when women try to do something different. So other thing I want to say is just like be creative, be brave. Don't be scared of trying new things really this year. So get out from your comfort zone, simply. That's actually what I want to say always. So you can style these outfits by picking some from each category. Maybe mix the color, mix the texture, keep trying new things. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Leave a like and tell us what you think about this year fashion trends in this comment, and we'll be covering a lot of topics this year before the summer, so you can get ready. And please subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips, and I would like to wish you a very great night and a lot of kisses for everyone who is supporting us and following us. For all the support, I will wish you a very good night.